Today we are talking about Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated. What does Converge actually do? They are a fiber broadband provider, meaning they build and operate a massive nationwide high-speed internet infrastructure. Converge is the Philippines' fastest growing pure fiber broadband and technology provider founded in 2007. They serve households through residential fiber internet and businesses through enterprise connectivity. And here's something important. They are 100% fiber. Unlike traditional telcos, they focus heavily on fiber optic networks, which are faster and more scalable. Converge is a company providing internet for millions of Filipinos. It operates one of the largest fiber optic networks in the Philippines, spanning over 600,000 kilometers. This is a company riding the digital transformation wave and a long-term compounder. But here's the question. Is Converge still worth investing in today? Stay with me because I'm going to give you 10 data-backed reasons why this company might deserve your attention. Let's break it down clearly. Here is reason number one. The company has maintained a consistent double-digit revenue growth. This is something big. In 2025, the revenue of the company hit 44.8 billion pesos, up 10.2% year-on-year. This shows a strong and consistent expansion. And reason number two, Converge has a strong profitability. This is not just growth, it's profitable growth. The net income reached around 11.9 billion in 2025 and the net margins around 26 to 27%. This is very high for a telecom company. Here is reason number three. The company maintains a recurring revenue business model. Internet is not optional anymore. Once customers subscribe, they pay monthly. This gives Converge predictable income, stable cash flow, and high retention potential. Here is reason number four. Converge has shown a rapidly growing subscriber base. As of 2025, they have a subscriber base of nearly 3 million subscribers, added over 400,000 new subscribers in a year. That's serious demand. Here is reason number five. The company has a strong dominance in fiber market. Converge has been one of the fastest growing ISPs in the Philippines. Fiber demand is exploding because work from home employment arrangement, streaming, gaming, and online businesses. And fiber is the future standard. Here is reason number six. The enterprise segment is growing. This is underrated. Enterprise revenue grew over 20% because of these businesses, cloud, connectivity, and data services. This segment is actually growing faster than residential. Reason number seven, the company showed high EBITDA margins. Margins tell you about efficiency. EBITDA margin is around 61%. That is a clear industry leadership, meaning Converge has strong cost control and efficient operations. Reason number eight, there is still a huge opportunity for expansion. Even today, internet penetration in the Philippines still has room to grow. Converge continues to expand fiber networks and enter undeserved areas. The more expansion, the more customers, which translates to more revenue. Reason number nine, Converge is a dividend-paying company. This is not just growth. The company pays dividends with a 30% payout policy, which means investors can benefit from income and dividend growth. Coming up is reason number 10. The company has positioned itself for digital economy. As you can see nowadays, everything is going digital. You can talk about online work, e-commerce, streaming, AI, cloud, and data. And what powers all of that? It's internet infrastructure that puts Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated right at the center of the digital economy. Now let's be real, no investment is perfect. Here are the key risks of Converge. First, competition from major telcos, capital-intensive expansion, slower growth guidance of around 8 to 10%, and execution risk in enterprise rollout. So this business is not risk-free. Here is my honest take. Converge ICT Solutions Incorporated is not a hype stock. It's a real business with real earnings. You're looking at strong growth, high margins, recurring revenue, and massive long-term demand. But also, you cannot take out competition and execution risks. The final question for you is, do you believe the Philippines will become more digital over the next 5 to 10 years? Because if your answer is yes, then Converge might be one of the companies riding that wave. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more investing breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.